Ferrari has taken a monumental step towards the future with the inauguration of its groundbreaking e-building in Maranello. This new facility is set to produce Ferrari's full range of vehicles, including internal combustion engines, hybrids, and the highly anticipated first electric model. The inauguration was graced by the presence of Italian President Sergio Mattarella, highlighting the significance of this event. Chairman John Elkann emphasized the importance of this new facility, stating, "Investing in our territory is essential to prepare ourselves for Ferrari's future with confidence and confirms our commitment to Italian excellence and to our country." The e-building is not just a production site but a testament to Ferrari's dedication to sustainability, innovation, and the well-being of its workforce. The plant is designed to enhance production flexibility, allowing Ferrari to efficiently adapt to changing demands. It embodies technological neutrality by supporting the development and manufacturing of internal combustion engines, hybrid engines, and electric motors, all within the same facility. This integration ensures that Ferrari can maintain its signature driving excitement across all types of powertrains. Ferrari's commitment to the environment is evident in the design of the e-building. Equipped with over 3,000 solar panels generating 1.3 megawatts, the plant is on track to be powered entirely by renewable energy by the end of the year. Innovative solutions, such as energy recovery systems and rainwater recycling, further reduce the facility's environmental impact. The well-being of Ferrari's employees was a top priority in the design of the e-building. The facility features ergonomic workstations, collaborative robots, and digital twins that enhance the production process while ensuring a comfortable and efficient working environment. The building also includes dedicated training spaces, relaxation areas, and a mix of natural and artificial lighting to improve the overall work experience. Ferrari's new e-building is more than just a manufacturing plant. It's a symbol of Ferrari's ongoing commitment to excellence, sustainability, and community. The facility has been integrated into the local landscape with careful attention to urban development, including a new road infrastructure and a 1.5-kilometer bike path that connects the site to the town. Designed by Mario Cucinella Architects, the e-building stands out with its innovative and sustainable architectural features. The building's facade, made of opaline glazing and clear glass, allows natural light to flow in during the day and transforms the building into a glowing lantern at night. With its cutting-edge technology, environmental focus, and dedication to employee well-being, Ferrari's e-building is poised to lead the way in automotive manufacturing, setting new standards for the industry. As Ferrari continues to innovate and evolve, this facility marks a significant milestone in the brand's illustrious history